Hi everyone, in front of me is a NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the sound section. Now we have to tap on advanced and right here we've got whole ringtone section, let's say. We can change the ringtone for calls and here we've got two different options because they are divided between two SIM cards. But also we can change the notification sound and alarm sound. So let me show you how to do it using the actual ringtone and let me tap on for example the very first one. It doesn't really matter, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of the list we've got the option none, so after tapping on it we will be actually your device won't notify you about any incoming call. And on the very bottom we've got the option add ringtone, so if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and if you would like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds before setting it, all you have to do is to simply tap on it. So let me tap on it, it is marked, and let me actually volume up the device and let's check again. And as I said, we can check how it sounds like. So if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that the option you would like to set is marked, like here in my case Luna, and tap on OK. And as you can see it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.